without researching or teaching, you won't be able to give knowledge to your students. So it's very critical that we should know how teaching is done, because it's a craft, it's a science. So you have to be very mindful, very careful, and very creative in how you implant ideas in someone's mind, in someone's heart.
At Habib, our approach to education is reparative. We want to put conversation again on teaching and learning because that is the backbone to any good learning experience.
The Pedagogical Development Week, a series of workshops that we do for the faculty, equipping them with the tools which are emerging in the realm of teaching and learning, giving them new thought processes that they can use in their pedagogy. We did in-depth analysis, and from there we were able to create an experience for the faculty where we had both subject-specific workshops as well as sessions which were overarching. We had sessions on assessment design and AI. We had sessions on SoTL, critical response process. PDW began with R3, which is our flagship event for celebrating our Teaching Excellence Award. The idea is that the winners share what worked in their classroom with the larger community over here. We invited both students and the faculty.
From the R3 talks, I just learned about a variety of teaching techniques, both in the sciences and humanities. I find these talks really interesting and beneficial for the development of pedagogical techniques for faculty.
The reality of today's society is it's changing really fast. And so having a conversation like we've had this week and during the PDW is great for refreshing our memories, right? Like bringing us back, grounding us in a way so that we can have a really successful and positive semester, reinventing some of the things that we've always done for new circumstances.
In academia, there's a very real danger of getting sucked into the content and sort of not focusing too much on the style or methodology or how it's received by students. And so I think workshops like these kind of pull you back into sort of teaching mechanisms and pedagogical concerns and teach you new tools and methodologies, which is interesting, and also it hones your skills over time.
As educators, we are continuously learning and wanting to improve our own professional practice. And having these kinds of professional development exercises that are being offered by Habib University through its various offices helps all educators reflect on their educational practice and continuously improve it, which then benefits the students.
These trainings give a great platform to discuss how content can go beyond information transfer and how we can reframe our understanding of what kind of knowledge is important to change the world and to solve the problems of today.
We are a teaching-centric university. We want the faculty to continuously improve on their pedagogy. So we are continuously creating opportunities for the faculty and how we can support them both inside the classroom and outside it. And PDW is just one example how we do this.